Welcome back to my channel guys. So, dito tayo sa part 2 ng Champurrado Eating Contest. Ayan. Ito yung pictures natin ngayon, si Ma'am Anipay at saka si Lover. Pink 96 Lover. I'm confused. Si kuan pala siya, si pangalan niya, Noemi yata pangalan niya. So, please support this two beautiful women. Visit their channels, Hong Kong and America. Ma'am Lover is from Hong Kong. Pink 96 Lover from from America, sorry. And Honey Pie is from Hong Kong. Okay. So I'm here watching Ma'am Shen's playing. Yan. So shout out Ma'am Shen, piano salon, and then Turn from Life, ganun pa rin. At kasi Living After 50s, yan. Against the Lights, and kuan yan, may lights. So guys, tayo guys sa ating eating contest. So ito yung si Mama Nipay saka si kuan. So this is 1 hour and kuan, natapos ko 1 hour and 19 minutes okay, and 20 seconds. So work from home with me, Dinner Life Engineer and watching YT Pump content. Okay, and si Ma'am Pink 96 Lovers. Okay, tayo kang Shen, Ma'am Shen. So ito pala yung ko, sambong tea, good for those who have kidney stones. Yan. Champurrado is for kuan. Filipino loves this for breakfast. Yan. Champurrado. Harap. Ito pala guys yung break tayo guys. Ito pala yung kita ko sa April. Yun, sa April pala ito. Ito sa May, January, February, March, April, May. Oh yeah, April. Okay, yung sildo May 21, 26. Saka ito yung earnings ko ngayon lang sa Mayo. So this is my earning. Okay, $1.42 lang. Dagdagan din yan, magsipag lang tayo. Let's do it. So let's eat muna. Let's try the sambong tea. Sarap ng sambong tea. Very delicious. Para siyang yung kapsula. Ganun pa rin ang lasa. Anyway, mag shout out naman tayo guys. Shout out. Ito ako kay DGM natapos kayo na. Shout out DGM. Ito si Ma'am Ranma Oti at saka si Isarugman. Yan sila. May bago tayo si EG YT. Yan, shout out sa iyo. At saka si Ehorn, shout out. Kimpo pamilya, shout out. Yan, si Irene Calinis Live Vlogs, shout out. Yung mga vlog, shout out. Yan, shout out sa inyo. Okay, maya konti, kain muna tayo. Watching Ma'am Shen's performance. Yan. A little one. Sa kabila naman si Pink Lover. Si Honey Pie nandoon naman sa kabila. So si Ma'am Shen may add siya. Si Tron from Life nandoon pa rin. So Ma'am Shen is ready. Let's watch and eat. Kain tayo, kain. Turn it up. Yung kan pala, yung palagi kong shout out, mga member ko yun, silang Drone from Life, Living After 50s, Ma'am Shen, si adopted member ko si Honey Pie at saka si Pink the 6. Meron pa isang adopted ko si Happy Homes and Beauty. Yan. May pakita ko si Happy Homes. Sarap. So, before tayo matapos, ito si Honey Homes, Happy Homes pala. Honey Pie pala yun. Ay nako. Honey Pie. Ang isa si Happy Homes and Beauty pala yung isa. So, dito tayo para i-promote ang mga videos ninyo at saka channel ninyo para tayong lahat magkapira sa YouTube. Maraming mag-share tayo. Yan, si Happy Homes. Yan. So, don't forget to subscribe also and visit Happy Homes. Happy Home and Beauty. Yan. So, tatlo silang pictures ngayon. Si Honey Pie, si Pink 96 Lover, and then si Happy Homes. Kasama na yung mga member ko araw-araw yan. Si Shen, si Turn from Life, si Ma'am Living After 50s, at saka si Ma'am tapos na kang Ma'am kuan Fatima. Katapos lang. Just watch my just watching Fatima's video. So thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe my members, Happy Homes, Drone, Shen, Living Up to 50s, Fatima, Pink, Honey Pie. Then magsuportahan lang tayo, guys. Let's support each other para makasahod tayong lahat ng medyo malaki. Okay, thank you Ma'am Fatima. God bless you always.